Hello everyone. First of all, thank you so much for joining the webinar. My name is Chetan and I'm after sales account manager at OnPin Shop. Along with me, my teammates Sandeep is also there. He is business development manager over here, and also from the marketing team we have Mamta Agnani as well. So we'll start with the webinar, and I can see like lots of people are still coming up. So I think 50 plus, okay, 56 plus registration is already there. So we will start with the webinar. And first of all, thank you so much for being part of growth of OnPin Shop and choosing us as your Web2Print partner. And we OnPin Shop as a team always think about our customers' growth and helping them to optimize production cost by helping them to use our solution in effective way. That's the only reason like why we have, why we keep upgrading our solution and being in touch with customers and part being their online success as well. Now in recent interaction with our customers, we have found that print industry is constantly growing and investing a lot in operational efficiency, we can say. And in today's digital print era, per order quantity is decreasing, and it is important for printers nowadays to focus more on how to increase team productivity and increase profit on small scale of orders. So we have been coming up with this wonderful webinar where we will introduce our new design proofing tool as well as some other features as well. So let us start with proofing tools to improve your design services and offerings. So in this webinar, we are going to have this discussion on these three topics. One is higher design services. Second one is design proofing tool. That one is our add-on module. And the third one is upload design proofing enhancement. So first of all, let us start with the case study of our existing client who has been with us from 2015 or and around or we can say last 2 to 3 years, and he said some of his challenges to manage communication with end customer who choose to their design services and all. Like he was offering some design services for marketing products like brochures, then after we can say presentation folders, flyers, even he was dealing with small postcards and business cards as well. And he said his challenges that when he was dealing with all this kind of design services, he he was facing some several challenges, like he was taking the interaction was main we can say challenge for them. Like before getting final approval for the artwork, the products like brochures and folders, it was taking like 6 to 7 interactions. Then after even he was working with some deadlines, like when he was rush the customers were choosing rush delivery, like in just 12 hours he need to complete with the artwork as well as the print production as well. So in during that particular time, he was facing so many options. He was facing so many obstacles. Also, he even missed the deadlines as well. So at the same time, lots of confusion was also there while discussing regarding the artwork with the customers. No proper communication channel was there to manage the information shared by the customers. Also, some interactions shared by the customer were pretending interpreted by the designer according to their experience. Like designer will have one particular experience or we can say one particular mindset into their background, and they always get information from customers in that particular we can say experience only. And also so many times customer get frustrated due to the multiple communication he had to make with the designer, with the printer, and all those communication channel was not up to the level. Also that particular customer, our customer, went opted to go for third party tools as well, but he realized that those available tools are highly expensive and complex as well for so it was creating unnecessary external communication as well, like printing for print order he will receive to our solution, and then he need to, for the designing and everything, he need to manage all those history from the different communication channels. And we can say productivity of those designer who were just getting we were just able to complete just 3 to 4 designs at a day. So he had to have the staff of, let's say, 7 to 8 designers, and also production cost was going very high. So he has talked with us regarding this, and we develop a solution for them. We develop a design tool. We introduced the higher design module as well. So after using that particular thing for, let's say, over a year, and we again contacted him, and the result was around, let's say, 80% reduction in client calls. So repeating client calls regarding the proofing and everything has been reduced by 80%, and the reduction in file preparation time has been, let's say, reduced by 70%. So he has also, like, all those designers who were completing around 3 to 4 designs a day, now they can able to complete, let's say, up to 9 to we can say 10 designs as well. And he has also reduced the staff of designers as well, so he can have only, let's say, those we can work with those 2 to 3 designers or now. And he is just getting the success now. So now we will start with our first topic of the today's webinar, that is higher design services. And in that design services, we are just going to discuss about our customers experience who were just offering the design services to their end clients and had requested for this feature. Also, he said that while offering this kind of services, those customers want to have clear communication with end clients. So we have to set up an area where we can receive proper information from end customer as well. So we have developed that hard designer form. Also, they wanted to have clear communication on design packages as well. Like whatever the end customer choose, they wanted to deliver the same, but wanted to have clear communication. Okay, if I go for selection this particular option, then I will have this much charges and this much services I will get. So we have addition that form and also the design packages option as well. So now let me just have a quick information about this particular thing on our demo website, where I will show you how your end customer can go and choose their design offerings. So let me just go for a particular product called flyers and brochures. Over here I can select my hard design option. I will just go for that and proceed to checkout. Hard designer actions. Once I click on it, I'll directly go for the designer, we can say the next stage. No designer studio, no upload file section will coming up. Only I will get the one step ahead, and that is from where I can choose this designer option, like choose higher designer packages. So silver, for review, silver, gold, and premium is there, in which he is asking the customer to review the artwork and just share the feedback. So they have this offering. Let's say if I just move from 2 to 4, then the pricing will change accordingly, and I can upload my images and everything over zip file from here. And also I can we can say explain about my designs as well as a customer. So I can just put down those stuff over here. I can just place the order, save and continue, and I'll directly go for the checkout. I will have these options over here, like select the shipping method and all. Once I select them, I can directly complete my order. As a customer, I will not have much option to be selected. Like I will not have the designing options and all. So now this order will go for the, we can say, list order section, and then from here we can manage those forms and everything. From admin panel itself, we can manage the forms for higher designer section over here. So all those stuff we can active, deactive, add new options as well, and also customer will get that particular artwork option as well. So now we have this option called higher designer section. Now a very next option is our add-on module, which is design proofing tool. By using this design proofing tool, you can send visual proof to your customers, and during the customer, once the customer has placed that order through higher design option, admin will receive the order and designer will start preparing file as well. So there will be newly interface for the end customers to approve the artwork will be also there. So this entire process has been simplified by us through this visual proofing tool. and where admin can share the artwork from admin panel, and visual customer can share the visual proofing, visual feedback, and the customer can add the comments. They can that share the feedbacks as well, everything in notes, and then we can go for the approval cycle as well. So each and every we can say task performed by both the ends, an email notification will be shared for the same. So customer can also download this proofing from their side. Also on every update made by both the and communication history will be also maintained, so we can have that particular thing into pipeline as well. Like every time a customer comes in, we will have that option for the end customer. Now let me just share this tool, share this, how this particular tool is going to work for the front customer. So for example, your customer has made the order. Let's say this customer has made the order for the product called flyers and brochure. Designer will create the final artwork for them, and they can go for modify order as an admin, and they can go for modify design, and they can upload the artwork created by them from here. Let's say I will just put down the upload the artwork. Let's say like this. I have uploaded the artwork, and I will ask for visual approval. So I will just activate that visual approval, and for both the the new designer tool will be also the interface will be come up. I will press down my comment like please approve your design. I will directly put down the comments and save. So customer will also get notified for the same. So once I just save it, customer will get an automatic email, something like this. Let me just get from the old order, and once I click over here, I will directly redirect to that visual proofing tool. Just a minute. Order history, I will just go here. Just a minute, let me just go for that order again. Review your proof from here, and I can see that particular, this is the visual proofing tool where you can just navigate from here to there, highlight any particular part. For example, I don't like this particular area, so I can just go here and highlight this area, and I will just put down my comments over here. Let's say please change the format for this area. As a customer, I am just putting down those comments. I'll just save it, so this comment will be noted down in the history. And also, let's say if I just go for the back page, and I'll just put down my review for the second page as well. So second page will load it, and I can just put down some circles and points as well. So I just want to have, let's say please decrease file size, just a minute, font size by 1 point. For example, as a customer, I'm just putting down all these reviews, and I will send it to customers. I will just save it, and I will save it to end customers. I will just click on continue, and here I will have an option like proof will be sent to your approval once again, and make changes and send for new proof. So I will just click on the same, and admin will also get notification for this via email. And once the admin is going to log into the designer section again, let me just go for that admin panel, and let me just go for list order section. I can go there, modify order, and I can see that proof comments as well. So I will just click down there, and I will have those comments. So whatever comments was shared by the customer, I will see it from here. Let's say this is the comment. Okay, please change the format of this area. So I will just share this particular comments with my designer, who will be the sub admin of this particular admin panel as well. So they can directly see from the same area. And second, For the second page, we have comment like this: please decrease the font size by 0.1. So as I mentioned, all the communication will be also there into email as well, and I will just make the changes, and I will just modify the design again, and I will upload the new proof. So let me just upload the new proof with those changes, and very quick moments these changes will be made, and designer can just share the comments. Okay, please find the new artwork. Customer will also get notified for the same. Save changes, and as soon as I just put down these comments and everything, customer can see their my account section, order section again, and review your proof again. This is the last order which he has placed, so I will just go for review your proof, and as soon as I get into that, the new artwork uploaded by the designer will be displayed here. So I will review, okay, this is correct. And let's say if I at the same time, if I want to see my history and all the stuff, then I can see also from the this section, I can print them, I can download the same. So I can just previous proof, I can see the previous proof over here. I can see like what changes I have made in the past. So I can see, okay, so this was the first change I asked for, and for the second page, this was the change which I asked for last time. And I can go back to latest proof said by the admin, and I can review it from here. As a customer, I can see all the transparency as well. So they will have the new proof over here, and also they will review the second page, and they will get the perfect. And what they will do, they will continue, and they can approve the artwork directly from here. So this particular proof has been approved, and so the customer, the admin will also get notification for the same, and the order status and everything will change from now onwards. Like proof has been approved, so the cycle of that ordering flow will be just the print production will be just starting from now onwards, and they can work on the print production because the if you have some deadlines or anything, you can just print on time, and we can go for the next stage. So let me just go back to PPT, and we can go for the continue with that next section, which is upload design proofing options. So from this area, we can have, when the customers are uploading their artwork, they are not uploading at some point of time, they are not uploading the artwork with proper size. Let's say if they select some another size from the drop down, and they upload the artwork with different sizes. So to give them a proper clarity about the upload, the artwork they are uploading, this is for them. This is not for admin, but this is for the end customers. Like when they are uploading the artwork for any particular product they are going for. So this is for them. So we have three options. One is, let's say, mask in image for the brown corner business card like this. We have that option for mask in image. So the second thing, we can have the crop mark in images as well, like this. Like safe margin, cut margin will be displayed, and we can go for the next stage as a customer. And the third one is redaction to Designer Studio. Let me just show you that option very quickly. Let me just go for the front store, go for the products. These are standard business card, and when I just go for uploading that option, I will just go for upload design. I'll select any particular size from here. I'll upload my file. Let's say I will upload this particular file. So I will have that preview once over here, and when I just go for the checkout, at the very next stage, Designer Studio will be open. Even if I'm just uploading my artwork, the Designer Studio will come up in action, and it will be uploaded like this. So I will review. Okay, so everything is perfect, but just this thing should be little bit upper like this. I will, if I want to, let's say, add new text, or if I also want to add new shapes, images, anything, I can have those options. Now let's say I have this particular front page, and I can also go for the back page as well. So this is my back page, and let's say at this point of time, if I don't like my back page, I want to upload any particular another images, or let's say even my logo resolution is not up to the mark, then what I can do, I can just change them directly from here. From image section, I can just upload my images or anything from here. Various images will be displaying there, and I can just upload those images, and I can go for continuing this option. So this particular, all these additional options will come up again, and I can just place the order, and that's it. So I can, as a customer, I can see what I'm just uploading. I'm not uploading any, we can say, low resolution file. I'm not uploading the file with wrong sizes, wrong crop marks or anything. So I can have a proper ideas for the proof which I'm just uploading. So this is for the end customer. So you can, by doing this, you can also reduce the lot of time which you are just dealing with your customers. So I will just have that option as well. Now we are just done with this webinar, but I would like to share some of our add-on modules as well, which are this, like we are offering the photo calendar module, direct mail module, book module as well, workflow automation is there, online VDP solution is there. We are just coming up with that designer module as well in very short period of time. We are just coming up with that as well. And we have some third-party integration for, let's say, accounting. We have Xero, QuickBooks, Salesforce, hot folder settings, Zendesk is also there, Zapier is there, HP Wallet is also there. So all these third-party modules we have the feasibility to integrate with the OnPrintShop admin panel. Now also we are coming up with OnPrintShop version 6.2 in March 2018. It will be launched on your website around 20th of March. Latest by 20th of March, we'll start upgrading our demo website from 9, and we'll start upgrading for our all the clients from 14 to 22nd of March. So yep, that's it from my side. Thank you so much guys for joining the webinar, and the next webinar for master will be on mass template personalization, and that will be on 28th of March 2018. So we are just opening up that question and answer from your side. So if you have